Sensibility and practicality define the 2014 Toyota Sequoia. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, skid plates, and power windows. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Come on in and take a test drive.